Hey everyone, lead trainer with Stocks to Trade, Tim Bowen here, back with the week in review on the top 5 stocks to watch for this week. So a pretty good overall week on the 5, well actually had 6 stocks this week. Just kind of want to recap them real quick. And as usual, in the description, you can subscribe at StocksToTrade.com/watch list. It's free, delivered to you every Sunday straight to your inbox. And let's get started. So first stock on the list was NBEV. This was the one of the cannabis drink stocks, and ultimately had a pretty good week. Opened Monday morning in the 4s, and then went as high as 7 after hours on Tuesday night. Ultimately ended up kind of fading here a little bit, but still, up on the week overall, but really pretty much a trade that you probably would have taken on Tuesday when, Monday was a little slow. But you can see right here, it did break out pretty good, a pretty good volume overall on Tuesday as well. Then the second one, I'm going to change to a different view here just to give you a little bit better look. And let's go 5-day, 15-minute. So anyway, NBEV, good day here on Tuesday. Closed near the highs, gapped up Wednesday, and then real strong real push after hours when we had some news. Well, more rumor related based on the Farm Bill. But keep an eye on NBEV based on the Farm Bill. The Farm Bill may have some, hemp and CBD type language in it. The other cannabis related play was Cron. Ultimately, Cron went nowhere, faded all week. Really there was never a buy signal or anything on this. I mean, every day red. They don't all work. And the nice thing about Cron, again, there was never at all any sort of buy signal on this. It just never went anywhere to be anything worth a trade. AMD was the other kind of higher price stock. This ended up the week basically exactly where it started, in the 19s, almost 20. Now you can see the nice thing about AMD is it does have quite a bit of range. If you're one of those traders that kind of likes to trade, between the lines type thing, you can buy, you can see it kind of hits support, bounces, hits resistance, drops. So ultimately didn't plan out as well as what I'd hoped going back to when I was researching these on Sunday. Finished the week unfinished, but if you're a channel trader, there's a little bit of opportunity there. Next one, Microsoft had a great day on Monday and Tuesday. Ground up $3 a share, closed literally at the high of the day on Monday, then gapped up Tuesday morning, pushed up to 111, and then kind of got sideways after that, and then ultimately sold off today. But, today, Friday, you can see it's about 3 p.m., kind of everything selling off. So really, that gap on Monday and then that push and continuation through Tuesday, higher price stock, obviously, but, if you had good timing, $5-6 in, a day and a half, not a bad trade overall. And then the last one was Tesla. And, again, really high price stocks, but the lower price stuff has been a little bit quieter other than the crazy runners. We are in the midst of a low float run. We've had a lot of big spikers this week, but aren't really the kind of stocks you want to look to swing trade, other than UXIN has been great all week. So Tesla, nice grind up from 360 to as high as 378 last night, and as well as this morning, is selling off, pulling back to support. Definitely one to keep on radar if you like the higher price stocks. A lot of positive analyst news on Tesla. It continues to be heavily shorted, but it's up it's not up today, but up on the week in an ugly market with continued solid news flow. That's an interesting stock. And then last one I do want to mention is UXIN. Very choppy, big moves, but we were talking about this one on Friday in Stocks to Trade Pro, the live webinars I do twice a day. This was in the 4s on Friday, gapped up on Monday and went as high as basically 9 on Wednesday, and has been a big mover all week, and definitely one to keep on watch for next week. Volatile stock, but it's holding up and it's green on an ugly overall market day. So again, thank you everyone. Be sure to like and subscribe. And like I said, in the description, check it out, StocksToTrade.com/watch list. And I'll shoot you that watch list this Sunday. So thanks a lot, everyone.